Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can design a logo on Canva. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to write the Canva. After writing the Canva, you have to wait for a few seconds. As you can see, the Canva is here. Now what you need to do, you have to write the logo, that in which category you want the logo or for what you want the logo. For example, clothing logo, gaming logo, fashion logo. I'm going to write the photography logo. So I'm going to click on this. After clicking on this, you are going to see a lot of logo designs. As you can see, these all are the logos. It's up to you that in which category you want the logo. You just need to mention that category. For example, I'm going to use this one, so I'm going to click on this. Now click on the customize this template. After doing that, as you can see, all the logo is here. Now you have to zoom it. I'm going to zoom in. As you can see, the text is here. If you want to change the text, as you can do that. For example, I'm going to Sapphire. I'm going to write that Sapphire. And if you want to change the color, you can also do that. Go to the colors, and there are a lot of different colors. It's up to you. If you want to change the color, you can do that. Has a shape as well. If you want to change the color of this shape, you can also do that. I'm going to click on the shape color, and I'm going to change this. As you can see, shadow and all things are mentioned here. After doing that, you have to click on the share, and you have to scroll this. Now you have to click on the download, and now you have to click on the download. The your logo will be downloaded. So in this way, as you can see, the logo is downloaded. You have to click on this, and let's preview the logo. Has the logo. So in this way, you can download your logo and make the logo on your Canva. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can design a logo on Canva and you can use it. If you want the different colors or different styles, you can get all the styles here. As you can see, these all samples are provided here. You just have to open it and edit it. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.